Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to change wallpaper or customize it. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go to settings, then wallpapers and styles. You can use default wallpapers that are inbuilt in the mobile phones. I'm using OnePlus CE3. There are a lot of wallpapers, you can choose it, and there is an option called themes. Open theme store and you can download it from here. You can download themes also. It changes overall look of your mobile phone. I choose wallpaper. There are a lot of wallpapers. You can choose it from here. Okay, I choose this and I choose apply. So there are three options: lock screen, home screen and both. So I choose home screen and it's setting up on my home screen, and if you want both, then click on third button, and this looks so beautiful. And I'm showing you how to customize it. Then simply long press. There is a option for wallpapers and click on recents. They are default album and it shows all your photos. Then simply click on photo, whatever you want to put it. Just apply it on lock screen, home screen, and I am choosing home screen. Click on it and it's done. Wallpaper is set. Thank you for watching.